Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are create subtle film grading using color lookup. Open your image and begin by correcting exposure and white balance. Subtle film grading depends on delicate adjustments rather than dramatic edits. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and test LUTs that introduce soft tonal shifts. Choose one that enhances atmosphere without overpowering the image. Lower the opacity so the effect blends naturally. Add a curves adjustment layer and gently lift shadows while slightly softening highlights to create a smooth tonal transition. Use color balance to refine color direction if needed.